Role clarity. Chapter 3, Why Responsibility is the Boundary. One of the biggest mistakes people make with I isn't technical, it's human. We expect the system to just know what we mean, to intuit our intent, or to carry responsibility we don't want to hold. But AI doesn't work that way, and it shouldn't. Your role is judgment, ethics, and accountability. AI's role is processing, organizing, and assisting. When those roles blur, outcomes quietly fall apart. I've seen that most failures don't come from bad tools, but from misplaced responsibility. AI can help you move faster, but it can't decide what should be done or own the consequences. In this chapter, we break down why role clarity matters, how responsibility never transfers, and why expecting AI to intuit or decide is a structural mistake, not a shortcut. When humans stay disciplined and AI stays in its lane, collaboration works. When boundaries collapse, so does trust. Full breakdowns are on the blog, link in bio. New posts weekly. Truality.finance is a parent brand, built on clarity, confidence, and steady progress. No noise, no pressure, just tools that help you stay grounded and in control of your financial journey. Stay steady, stay real, stay you. This message was brought to you by Mr.Why, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.finance and my other channels. Truality.legalese.mental and .unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you.